This is the best reaction I've ever seen. The man was even on his phone.
Mid.
Yeah.
You have to have a
Ripping and praying is coming up.
torn and brain. How many waxes is this with this wax for you? Your second one?
I think my third.
So I feel like it's
I
coming
think it's
out
my third, yeah.
so clean. Can you see your balsa?
Oh, what the
Stop.
Oh, sorry, which ones? What the hell did you do?
You had this one little hair with wax on it, so I pulled it. Did it hurt?
Yeah. What?
I'm gonna tweeze it.
No, please don't.
It's just a little hair.
Is it under the skin?
It's
under the skin, huh? Okay. Oh, okay, damn it! Please don't. Please don't.
Don't kick
No,
on it.
please
Okay,
don't.
okay.
It really fucking hurts.
I
Hey.
got it.
Mm.
What's wrong?
Everything hurts then. You're done already?
Yeah.
Have a lot of hot wax melted down. For those of you that only have a small amount in the bottom of your pot, you're not going to get as much on your spatula. When people say you get so much wax in one scoop, that's because I generally have more than I need in my pot. That's not going to affect any of the wax if you don't use it that day, because you can switch your heater off, let it go hard in the heater, and then when you're ready to use it again, you just switch it back on and melt it all down again in the same process. I've got my wax on the spatula. You can see I'm twizzle because it will stop it from dripping. I then place a little bit of the wax where I want to start, using the side of my spatula or the tip of my spatula at the front. I want to spread it nice and even. See how I've got slow control, nice movement with the hot wax. Nothing rushed. I'm not trying to be messy with it. I'm just trying to spread it nice and even so that my edges are all nice and clear where they are, not too thin and, you know, spread out over here and over here, because when I go to pull this strip off, I want it to come off in one piece. As you can see, it sets really quickly. You literally have a couple of seconds to get that spread on before it starts to go tackier. I want to get my handle. Now obviously I can't stretch my skin because my hand's down here, but whenever you go to pull wax, you should stretch the skin. Get your handle. Once you have your handle to pull, you then want to do it in one parallel pull towards the body. You don't want to go up to the sky because that's how hair snaps. Remember, we want to pull the hair from the root. So one quick firm pull, and then your strip should come off all in one piece.